Cough medicine, also known as antitussives, are medications that are used to suppress or relieve coughing. These medications have been in use for centuries, with the earliest known cough medicine dating back to ancient Egypt. In the 19th century, codeine was isolated from opium and was found to be an effective cough suppressant. Since then, various other compounds have been developed and used as cough medicine, including dextromethorphan and diphenhydramine. Cough medicines are available over the counter and by prescription, and come in various forms such as syrups, capsules, and lozenges. It is important to consult a doctor before taking cough medicine, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking other medications. There are a few sorts of hack medication, including 1. Expectorants. These medicines help to loosen and clear mucus from the lungs, making it easier to cough up. Examples include guaifenesin and mucolytic agents. 2. Suppressants. These medicines work by reducing the urge to cough. They are typically used to control coughing at night so that you can sleep. Examples include dextromethorphan and codeine. 3. Decongestants. These medicines help to relieve nasal congestion, which can reduce coughing. They work by limiting the veins in the nasal entries. Examples include pseudoephedrine and phenylephrine. 4. Combination medicines. Some cough medicines contain a combination of 2 or more of the above ingredients. It's important to note that not all cough medicines are suitable for everyone, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any medication. Cough medicine, also known as an expectorant, can be effective in relieving symptoms associated with a cough. Expectorants work by thinning the mucus in the lungs, making it easier to cough up and clear. Decongestants, another type of cough medicine, can also be effective in relieving symptoms by shrinking the blood vessels in the nasal passages and reducing congestion. However, it's important to note that not all coughs are caused by the same thing, and therefore not all cough medicines will be effective for all types of coughs. It's in every case best to talk with a medical care professional prior to taking any prescription. Cough medicine has a long history dating back to ancient civilizations. In ancient Egypt, for example, honey and herbs were used to treat coughing. In medieval Europe, various plant-based remedies were used, such as the bark of the willow tree, which contains salicylic acid, the active ingredient in aspirin. In the 19th century, codeine was isolated from opium and was used as a cough suppressant. In the 20th century, over-the-counter cough medicines containing dextromethorphan, DXM, became popular. These medicines work by suppressing the coughing reflex in the brain. Today, there are a variety of over-the-counter and prescription cough medicines available, each formulated to target specific symptoms. Cough medicine, also known as cough syrup or expectorant, is a type of over-the-counter medication used to treat symptoms of coughing. It typically contains active ingredients such as dextromethorphan, guaifenesin, or codeine, which work to suppress or alleviate a cough. Cough medicine may come in liquid, tablet, or lozenge form and can be used to treat both acute and chronic coughing. It is important to carefully read and follow the instructions on the label, as well as to consult with a doctor before giving cough medicine to children or taking it with other medications.